Well, they say the early bird gets the worm. Well, we're hoping that we can catch a fish with that worm because we're going fishing, huh, Rita? And we're early birds. All right, what kind of bird are you? I'm a Pajaro Loco. That's a crazy bird. Pajaro is how you say bird. So I'm Pajaro Loco for pescados, for fishing.
You are. He is Pajaro Loco.
I love to go fishing. Man, I married the right woman because I think she might like to go fishing more than even me. That's hard to believe. But we're going to go catch some bait this time. So how do you live frugal? Is you catch your own food to eat, you pinch every penny, and that's literally how we survive. Because we're both bums. We don't work. We work, but we work for ourselves.
You can see what time is?
It's 6:30, but we got up like at 5, huh? So we got up at 5, and we're waiting for a friend to go and show us his secret spot to get shrimp, camarones.
Mésela poquito, así. Mésela así, sacúdelo y... Sacúdelo. Dale vuelo.
Oh, wow, it's better.
Un poquito arriba, ¿verdad?
Te tira con fuerza. Esa sí ocupa fuerza y esa no, porque esa es muy livianita.
Your traps are going to catch more than what I do.
Mira, hay scrap aquí. Mira qué grande, Chan.
Híjole, let me try to catch him. He's not that big, but he's big.
Mira.
He's a blue crab. That's what you want to eat, I guess.
Mira qué bonito.
His girlfriend, you see him? He doesn't want to let go of her. I don't want to let him.
Show here.
My stuff, dude.
Show here.
Hope he don't bite the shit out of me again.
Be careful, you can fall. Now walking back.
Try not to walk back. I'm trying.
They can broken you. Nets, Chan.
Yeah, he won't bite. Oh. There he goes. There you go. Get back in there with your girlfriend. Get in there with your girlfriend, dude. Esto.
La playa. Este no tiene mucho. Chan, mételo el agua. Yo quiero ya chambear todavía.
Mira. Ay, se fue.
¿Es un grande?
Ya por encima.
Mira cuántos.
Voy a pasar por allá. A ver si tiro otro más para allá.
Aquí hay swim.
¿Dónde está la trampa aquí?
Hello, friends. Welcome back. Well, when you live off-grid, you have to improvise. Here in Mexico, in this little fishing village where I live, we're off-grid. Here's our power plant. We take this with us every time we leave because it's portable. We use it in Tucson and Arizona, the mountains when we go there. That's our electricity. So I don't pay electricity anymore. All my solar panels outside, I've got some portable solar panels. It's the way to live. Now, in this little fishing village that we live here in Mexico, the ice cream, I hate to tell you this, but it's terrible. So, I've come up with my own solution. I'm hand cranking this. So this is my ice cream maker. Now the ice is melting here, but I made my own ice cream. And it's absolutely delicious. It's my own recipe with chat's help, but I had to improvise it. And it is absolutely delicious. I love my ice cream. That's better. So, waterman is going to be coming, so we got to get ourselves ready. That sun is bright. Got my solar going. So we have a cistern. Our main water tank is under here, and we've had some issues with people opening up this cistern and taking water out of it while we're gone. And we're working hard to get a wall up here. And I wouldn't be so disappointed about that fact that they're coming in here and taking this water, except they didn't close the lid. And there was thousands and thousands of bugs inside my cistern. And so now I'm going to have to drain this and clean this tank. Yeah, it's not a good thing. So what I do is I turn this pump on. This is my water situation. And then I turn my little button here on. Now it's pumping the water out of this tank up onto this tank. That's where my water pressure is throughout the house. Right now I'm just using gravity fed water pressure, and they kind of like it because it keeps me from using water real fast. You know, you turn your water on to wash your hands or even take a shower, and it's kind of real low pressure. Especially the first floor or the second floor up there. You know, the water pressure is not that substantial. By the time we get down into here, it's a lot more, there's more pressure involved. And we've got these really small pipes. You see how thin they are? So we don't have a lot of water pressure to begin with, and it just kind of suits us. We don't run through this water. When you're living off grid, you have to consider these things when you're building your house. So we're building the wall here, and this is all we have the money for at this moment to complete the footer on this side. So we have 3 footers up, 2 walls sides completed, minus all the doors and so forth. And so they're going to be in here completing this. And they've just got this part left here to dig out and pour those slabs.
First of all, it's that we have the known fee discount tiers. So when you have staked, let's say 1 million XRP, X.
Sit down beside me, my only son. It's been too long since I saw your face. Look how you grown. Just sit you down, man. And I've been shaken to the sinking sand of time. I just caught this fish, and Rita filmed it, so it's not 4K, but here it is. I don't know what he is, but he's fighting. He's fighting big. I hope he's big. I hope he's not big. I hope he's a really wild. Come on, man. Don't leave him. Don't come on. He's fighting.
It's coming. It's coming. Mira, está muy grande.
Sí, es comer.
Qué grandote.
Grande. I've never caught one that big. Oh, I wish he was using my phone. Let me know what this fish is called in English. I don't know. It's a decent sized fish, folks. And we're going to eat this guy. This guy is going to be great to eat. He's the biggest one of these I've caught, the corbillos. I call him rock bass. That's what I call him because it looks like a rock bass to me, you know, but a freaking lot of fun. I actually used, I caught these little fish with this net, and that's what I'm using for bait. Gracias.
A usted sería todo, ¿eh? Vaya muy bien y felicidades.
Oh, gracias. Muchas
Aquí
gracias.
luego que tengo una foto allá afuera.
Mira, ya.
Oh. I have 1 foot in Mexico and 1 foot in the United States. One more step closer to my dual citizenship, and I will be a Mexicano, a gringo Mexicano, and an Americano. Yeah, that's definitely a rattlesnake. Don't get any closer. It's a rattlesnake. Okay, come on, get in the car. I don't want him to get away. I don't know what kind of rattler it is.